Okay, other than Beyblade, what else do
Other
you
than
collect?
Beyblade, we got TCG,
TCG,
like
okay.
Yu-Gi or
Yu-Gi-Oh, correct.
Vanguard, that kind of stuff. We
Okay.
got remote control cars like
RC cars, all
RC
those,
cars
yeah.
from Tamiya. And back in the days, I used to play with those that you have to put in like the fuel. Doom Sky. Nitro. Yeah, and then that kind. And then of course, the community is getting smaller. And then I shifted to Mini 4WD, which is Tamiya. Yeah, and then because I really like the experience, saya sangat suka pasang Tamiya tu, saya pun slowly lah, pasang-pasang ni best lah. Baik, kita cuba pasang Gundam, habis racun. Habis. Saya punya backlog dah boleh jadi macam shop dah sekarang. Kena ada warehouse baru boleh cukup kita masukkan. Dan lama kelamaan makin tua sebab makin tak ada masa lah. Macam dulu kita muda-muda sekolah-sekolah, uni-uni adalah masa kita pasang Gundam semua kan. Sekarang umur kita pun dah 30 lebih, dah kahwin semua, masa nak pasang pun dah makin tak ada kan. Jadi kita lebih fokus kepada model yang dah siap pasang lah. For example, pandai kita ada metal build,
metal build.
sangat. And then kalau yang kat third party kit, kita pun beli whatever metal build yang dah siap pasang lah.
Because it does take a considerable amount of time for you to assemble
Model kits or those.
model kit. Yes, correct. Betul. Okay, so like in Malaysia punya toys and collectibles punya scene currently in 2025, what is like the hottest things going on?
Hottest things. Currently saya nampak banyak